Want to know how to present an interior design proposal? I have presented over 800 of them. I have some insight on that. Let's talk about it. All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to present an interior design proposal. Well, knowing how to present a proposal is very, very important because it's part of your sales strategy, and sales is so important in your role as an interior designer. It is the biggest way, actually the only way, that you make income. Now, what I have experienced in my own past of proposal writing is it goes something like this. Let me know if you can relate. Let me know what you can relate. Let me know that you can relate to all of this, I bet. So what I have done in the past is go to a sales meeting. I'm like hitting it off with the client really, really well. We're like vibing on each other. We're like super excited about this project and all the things. And then I leave to go write a proposal. And then I go back to my office, which at the time was my dining room table. Can I get a, hey, work from home? And I would craft a proposal and it would take me so long. And then I would come up with a number and I would put the number in, and then I would feel like I would need to beef up the proposal to like show that that number is valuable. So I would like add more things into the proposal, like, and I'll pick lighting, and I'll pick pink colors, and I'll pick this, and I'll do this, and I'll show up all the time, and I'll braid your hair and snuggle you in bed at night so that I could justify that number at the bottom. What I know to be true is that when I sent the proposal, which was usually a couple of days later, the client probably received it when they were at the grocery store with a crying baby on their hip, pushing a shopping cart or something heavy, and scroll all the way to the bottom of the email to see the number at the bottom without reading the proposal. You know that that's how it's done. So here's the thing. That proposal is not a sales tool at all. The sales tool is you in that sales meeting. A proposal should only summarize what you already talked about. So in order to talk about how to present a design proposal, we need to talk about when to present a design proposal. And if you're catching what my drift is here, you know that I'm gonna say inside the sales meeting is the most powerful moment to present that proposal. In that sales meeting is the time when a client is going to be the most hot for you. It's kind of like when you drive a car off of a lot, it depreciates by, I don't remember, like 20%. Well, the same thing is going to be true when you walk out of their front door. You're going to depreciate in their mind by like way more than 20%. When you want to present the proposal and present your pricing is in the moment that they're like, yeah, I definitely want to work with you. This is amazing. I can't wait to do this project. Sign right here. Okay, I'm signing. And it's signed. Not like, yeah, I want to do this project. I'm so excited. And then you walk out and then they have to do the dishes and the laundry and the things. And that's not the moment to come back later to tell them to sign the proposal. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Awesome. So when is the best time to present the proposal?
In the sales meeting.
Yes, in the sales meeting. Good job. A+ for today. All right, so how do you present it? What you're gonna do is print out the documents ahead of time and have them ready to, in the sales meeting, have some kind of template or something that you can fill in right then and there in the sales meeting with their information and have them be able to sign it right then and there. That's the how of how you're gonna present the proposal. Now, if you want to do it really nicely, it should, of course, be on beautiful letterhead and really thick paper. Another way that you can do it, which is the way that we do it in our firm, is to have it preloaded into DocuSign, which is an electronic signature document thing that you can use, and you can bring it on something like an iPad or your computer so that you can bring a digital version and they can sign digitally right then and there. That's another way to do it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to write a proposal, and that's a pretty good video too, so I'd suggest you stick around for that. Meanwhile, if you're also still like, but how do I do this? And what do I do this? And what would I say? And then how do I do that? Don't worry. I know there's so much that we could talk about proposals. Why don't you come on over to our community where we can discuss this as a group? Visit us at biographicaldesign.com to learn more about how you can get involved. But before you go, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, let's be besties.